Home Remedies presents. Add one ingredient to your shampoo for fast hair growth and stop hair fall. I know I am not the only one who has seen countless hair TikTokers touting the benefits of rosemary for their hair. Every wash routine features the magical mixture and everyone seems to swear by it for softer, shinier strands. Some also swear rosemary is the secret to boosting hair growth. The most preferred and highly sought after method of using rosemary is in the form of oils. With its pleasant aroma and plentiful benefits, rosemary is undoubtedly one of the best essential oils you can get your hands on. It is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. This is presumed to help stimulate hair growth and discourage uncontrollable hair loss to a large extent. Adding rosemary oil to your shampoo helps enhance its purifying capacity. Let's see how to do it. Simply add about 5 to 8 drops of rosemary oil to the quantity of shampoo that you will use to one-time wash your hair. Massage it well for about 3 minutes into your scalp. As it does not contain a lot of fat like other oils, adding it to your shampoo does not make your hair look flat. This can also be used frequently as it does not deplete the natural barrier on the surface of the scalp. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.